Okay, so I'm trying to speak loudly because I'm using my phone's microphone. It's not really working out, and I'm starting to lose my voice. Anyway, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode, and today I want to talk about Samsung's upcoming flagship for the second half of 2018, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now, Samsung's Galaxy Note series has been, it's an amazing series. You know, it's their phablet, it's their king of smartphones. Earlier this year, they came out with the Samsung Galaxy S9, and as you guys know, I do have the Galaxy S8. There wasn't really an upgrade. I didn't see the need to upgrade to an S9, so I kept with the S8. It works perfectly well, don't have any complaints. And the same thing goes for the Note 9. If you have the Note 8, then there's really no need to upgrade to the Note 9. Now, massive leaks this week and last week do confirm that the Galaxy Note 9 will be having a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. 4,000 milliamp hour battery. That's really good compared to the Galaxy Note 8. The Galaxy Note 8 has only 3,300 milliamp hours, which is, it's not the greatest. And other than that, there's not really much of a difference. Obviously, Snapdragon 845, 6 to 8 gigabytes of RAM, probably the same camera setup as the Galaxy S9 Plus. Fingerprint placement is under the camera module this time, so it's a bit easier this time around. Other than that, oh yeah, maybe new S Pen features, but other than that, nothing really new. Obviously, it's going to be a really good phone, no doubt, but the important thing is to ask you guys, would you pick up the Galaxy Note 9? And if you do, what phone would you be upgrading from? Now, if you're upgrading from the Galaxy Note 8, the Galaxy S9 or Galaxy S8, personally, I wouldn't upgrade at all. But if you're going to be upgrading, let's say from the Galaxy Note 5 or the Galaxy S6 or an older flagship or any other Android device, or maybe even iPhone, then yeah, Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is a good bet. But that's my question to you guys. Would you buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 9? Mainly because it's going to be very similar to the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Instead, why not just pick a Galaxy Note 8? Okay, maybe it's a year old, but the price is going to be much cheaper than before. Oh yeah, okay. That mall has Zara. That mall has Zara, I like that. And that mall has Krispy Kreme too. I like that mall. I literally go there just for Krispy Kreme and Zara. Anyway, why wouldn't you just pick up a Galaxy Note 8? It's cheaper, it still has really good specs. The battery isn't the greatest, but it can last you throughout a day. That's my question to you guys. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to comment down below whether you'll be picking up the Galaxy Note 9 or not. Be sure to Superman that like button, and best of all, subscribe. Best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, this is MTG.